I'm gonna tell you the easiest way to make money at home, and you 100% have never heard of this before. So most people are familiar with things like drop shipping, affiliate marketing, or selling physical products on Amazon. All of those were great when they first came out, but now there are too many sharks in the ocean, and most of them requires inventory and complicated websites. But the big secret is you don't need those things. This new Amazon method, it allowed me to teach Deepika, a stay-at-home mom, a new way to earn online. Now what's crazy is Deepika was a single mom trying to support her kids and give them a bright future. And now thanks to this new Amazon method, Deepika earns about 8 lakhs a month. Now that number sounds shocking, but Deepika is not the only one. So you see, you don't have to go and find customers because Amazon has already found them for you. So my name is Vanshit Upadhyay and my students have made crores selling digital books that they didn't even write. A process that's completely outsourced, and once it's up and running takes only an hour a day. Like Rahul here, who makes 7 lakhs a month and gets to surf and play golf every day. Or Abhishek here, who was finally able to quit his job because now he's making 13 lakhs a month. Or Rohit here, who made 15 lakhs in just 240 days, and English is not even his first language. Or Pranav here, who makes 6 lakhs a month and finally he took his family to Dubai for vacation. So there's a lot of info that I want to share with you, but I can only show you so much on this ad. So I'm conducting a live 3-day AGF masterclass where I'll show you exactly how Deepak was able to quit his job because now he's making 9 lakhs a month. So click here below and let us show you the fastest way possible to banking a legit hands-free passive income. And when you enroll into this masterclass today, you'll also get these 3 bonuses that we never give away. But you will get them for free just by enrolling into the masterclass today. So click here below and I'll see you live in the AGF masterclass.